Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to unmerge rows in Excel without losing data. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many merged cells. Now we want to unmerge the cell. At first, select the cell. Then go to the home menu. Select the merge and center drop down menu. We can see here the unmerged cell option. Now I am select the unmerged cell option. Then we can see here the data. The data you are not losing. Now I am select the cell and go to again merge and center drop down menu and choose unmerged cell option. Now we can see we unmerged cell without losing data easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.